Rotator cuff injuries. Introduction. The combination of the muscles and ligaments in the shoulder is called the rotator cuff. Select true or false. Correct. The rotator cuff is located under part of the shoulder blade. Do rotator cuff injuries always show up after a fall or strain? Select yes or no.
Correct. Symptoms of rotator cuff injuries may occur on their own, or they may be noticed after a fall or an injury. Symptoms could also show up gradually over a period of time. Most rotator cuff injuries are treated with surgery.
Select true or false.
Correct. Rotator cuff injuries can usually be treated with physical therapy exercises. Surgery may only be recommended if other treatments are not successful.
Thank you for using Explain.